SERV stock analysis and price prediction. Is it a buy or not right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So SERV Robotics up 7.5%, which is great. There's a way that I was expecting the price to deliver in my previous video, and this is like what I said. One or two ways. Either the price comes here and gives me a double break and I take it higher, or it goes lower inside the demand zone and then I start taking advantage of it here. This is exactly what happened, and now it's delivering. So let me show you exactly the proof of this. Here it is. This video was like literally made here 21 hours ago, you see?
A double break with a full candle close, not just a wick, and then I would capitalize on that bullish side. If there's like this,
the time it was 4:54 p.m., 16:54, that is.
Right here.
Now it's 3:29 the next day. You see it, right? You see the proof. It doesn't happen. The thing really happening. This is really updated and made before, but yeah, like there's nothing else that I would add here, like delivering, but more so the second idea. Let me just copy the link. There we go. We're here, and I'm just gonna wait it out right now. There's nothing else for me to do, add or anything. If you want to learn the strategy free, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.